Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nikita and I know it's been too long कि मैंने कोई वीडियो अपलोड नहीं करी है, but I am back.
We are back.
We are back and we are starting with a new series on YouTube in which like हमारे को एक्सप्लोर करना, कैफेज जाना, नया फूड ट्राई करना एंड नई नई जगह ट्राई करना बहुत पसंद है. एंड
और हम हर वीक ऑलमोस्ट हर वीक कहीं ना कहीं नई जगह जाते हैं एंड वी गेट सो मेनी मैसेजेस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम कि ये कौन सी जगह है, कैसा है, क्या फूड है.
एंड लाइक दीदी को काफी जगहों के बारे में अपडेटेड रहती है वो. सो
दैट्स ऑल आई डू.
So and हम most of the times we go together. So like I'm starting the series with her and इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि this is going to be the first episode of this series.
And this series is actually about where we go explore the cafes and review them for you. Review in the sense we tell you how's the food, how's the ambience, so that if you go and spend your money, you know that you're spending it in the right place.
And yeah, like you'll get the idea पहले से ही कि how the place is gonna be and you'll also get some ideas कि आपको कहाँ जाना चाहिए.
क्योंकि जनरली जब जैसे हम लोग जोमेटो, डाइनो वगैरह पे रिव्यूज भी देखते हैं तो वो रिव्यूज काफी ज्यादा क्या कहते हैं मिक्स्ड होते हैं. या दे आर पॉजिटिव, दे आर नेगेटिव्स और हम लोग नहीं डिसाइड कर पाते. सो वी थॉट लेट्स बी द मीडियम फॉर यू गाइस टू डिसाइड.
एंड आई थिंक इट विल बी वेरी फन टू रिव्यू एवरीथिंग एंड हम food, ambience and everything और I'll try to also rate them and
we'll be 100% honest because why would we lie?
Yeah, like we are not making any kind of money out of it.
I hope we do one.
So yeah, we are going to do that and we really hope that you guys enjoy this and like this series. And
we are starting it with so much hope that we might just help you guys a lot and be fruitful to you guys in any way.
Yeah, and also today we are going to review Duty Free which is in
Gardens Galleria, Noida.
Yeah. And मैं पहले Duty Free गई हुई हूँ but यहाँ पे हम दोनों ही पहली बार आए हैं.
Yeah.
तो let's see how it's gonna be.
और मतलब मैंने देखा है तो इसका ambience और सब कुछ काफी सुंदर है. But let's see how's the service, how's the food.
Yeah, and the video is going to be entirely about us reviewing it and not कि मतलब vlog नहीं होगा. This is just the intro to tell you guys कि we are starting with the series.
And let's just then start with it.
So please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and let them know कि यार यहाँ चलते हैं, let's make a plan.
You should totally do that.
Yeah.
और आप लोग हमारे साथ भी plans बना सकते हो वैसे.
हम बहुत extrovert हैं.
Just write it in the comments and we can go and explore cafes together.
और फिर हम फिर भी वीडियो बना लेंगे. चलो, bye. We'll see you when we get inside. अभी हमने पार्क कर दिया कार and yeah. So this is the outdoor area of the Gardens Galleria Mall and it has a huge variety of cafes and outdoor sitting spots. You'll get a number of options to choose from, ranging from buffet places to coffee shops, and the whole area gets lit up when the sun gets down, and I personally really like such points.
So out of many other options, we selected Duty Free just because of its beautiful ambience and a perfect location.
So the first thing we're going to talk about is the ambience and basically the whole vibe of Duty Free. Honestly, the outdoor sitting is really cool and really beautiful. The lighting is amazing at night. There's a live DJ and live music nights too at night around 8:30 to 9, and we took this beautiful cabinet area shown in the picture and we would rate the ambience a 10 out of 10.
Now coming to the most important part, that is food. The service was pretty quick. They came with all of our food within 5 to 7 minutes. The mocktails were okayish. The sangria was tasty though. The overall food was a bit cold and the flavors were a little bland, so we didn't like the food that much. But it was like average. The most disappointing part for us was the nachos pizza. We ordered it because it sounded very different and interesting to us, but it wasn't the same. It was very bad. The other thing that we didn't like was these mocktail bottles that we got, because of how they subjectified women and their bodies. So that's the one part that we didn't like at all. Rest, the ambience in the place was pretty nice, but the food was below average, to be honest.
So our next stop was this really good place in Mayurvihar Market, which is King Casanova, because we were really craving for some good hot chocolate, and a friend suggested this place, and we are so glad that they found this place. And we also highly recommend it for their hot chocolate, because that's all we tried from here. Honestly, I have not had any hot chocolate better than this. I completely loved the place too. It has bonfire and outdoor sitting as well with live music. The inside sitting has a very cute vibe as well.
So we highly recommend this cute place for all of you guys for your winter cozy dates. And we really hope that you enjoy this episode. See you in the next one. Bye.